Welcome back to PFS Flames. Teenage pregnancy. Trust me, we are going far. We want to go far with it. As we're speaking, we have episode 2 ready. I'm going to try and make sure episode 3 ready. I'm begging people. The only thing we ask them mostly is share the movie. Share it. Each one person must can share it to 20 persons. Share it by your WhatsApp status. Share it by your Facebook. Share it by your Instagram page. Even screen record one part out of the movie you want to like. Put it on a status, make people see it. Please just bring this series. Right now, I'm sick. I tell them I have flu and cold. I don't know if I have pneumonia yet because I'm not go to a doctor. But I'm sick and I try to fight it and I try to take my time. But after this movie, we have good amount of movie in store right now. When we are edit, when we're ready for release. As we're speaking right now on this movie dropping, me they shoot same way and we have a surprise after this movie are done. So remember, like, share and subscribe. Big up Empress GTV.
Oh, lad.
How we go? Look here. Look here. Let me tell you something. You take yourself out of school, right? What kind of life you plan to live?
Daddy, I'm afraid me I go up on my friend here, me I go help her with that homework because she don't understand.
She don't understand. At least she don't understand her homework because she go to school. But you not go. You go do tattoo. You go pierce your nose. Me give you one machine to follow me go a bush. Go farm. You don't want to go a bush. You tell me you're a hot girl. Eh?
Daddy, we can't chop the bush right now.
You kick your own self out of school. Right? Me can't beat you. Because the government are idiot. Because if me beat you, then put me behind bar. Right? After me, I try to encourage you to go in a school. I try to beat you and put you back in a school. Government, I'll tell you, say, if we look, you go to prison. So, well, see now. You're out of school now. What government I do? Nothing. Eh? Nothing at all.
It's so hot.
It's sun hot.
Mm-hmm.
That's how they get up and say it's sun hot. Every day the sun hot, the sun hot. I'm up on the yard, you know, straighten up the yard. The sun hot. Look up at me, what you want out of life? What you want out of life?
Something.
If you want something you're in a school. So you hear me I say,
School not pay me.
well, school not pay for you. But if you learn, so me I give you until 2 o'clock to come back in the yard. 2 o'clock. Now make me have to come look for you.
Okay.
Remember, 2 o'clock, you know. Oh.
Watch ya. Yes, yeah.
Sean, are you gonna see a long time? Or you not come to school?
Girl, school, I don't have time for school. School can't stay.
What you mean by school can't go on, Sean?
Girl, me can't bother with school. Cause the teacher them not even pay with no mind. Them only a dictate as them dictate so. Them go up on their phone, they come out of class, then they coming back. Then they hear homework this, homework that, and they don't teach you nothing. What we do homework with? What we do? They don't teach you nothing at all, and they want to give people homework. Me can't bother with school. School too stressing.
Talking about school and stress, Sean, I wanna get tattoo and I wanna get your nose pierced.
Girl, it's too late. And since what day me get them, for you not see me come to school.
Why? I wonder if we can get tattoo and pierce my nose stuff.
Girl, as a friend, don't pick up the road and don't follow me, girl. As much as you don't see me at school, girl, this road is not easy, girl. It's stressing bad.
Girl, road not stressing. I'm not stressing for you. Look for you. You have tattoo and piercing and whatever. You look for me. And this is a granny you look for.
Girl, you better be a granny than follow me and be a hot girl, a so-called hot girl. Cause it's really hard out here. Stay in school and get the education so me can come work for you.
Anyways, girl, more the man if I come back to school, you know. Cause me need some company and school boring and them girl over there. I'm gonna like so they can come outshine me.
Me say, girl, me done with school. Me not nothing to do with school again, nothing. Like, I'm literally over. I'm done with it.
Anyway, me think about the tattoo and the piercing. I go pay to collect something, yeah?
Me I come with you.
Right.
Oi, hello.
What we on?
Not fancy seeing you here. Hey, why make you not come to school?
What kind of question that? The same thing she come ask me, you ask me. You don't see the difference. You don't see my nose pierced. You don't see I haven't touched you. You don't see.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I do not want to be inquisitive or, as Jamaicans would say, enough.
Want be like sorry, no?
Okay, so I will be going along because I have to study because I want to become something very great in life.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, goodbye.
Come here.
Bye.
Oh, Lord.
Daddy.
Oh, you up on the road?
Me dear follow.
Follow her go away. What kind of friend is? In a printer. How much you print out? So much tattoo.
Where am I with tattoo?
Who is she? What kind of friend is?
I'm a friend, Daddy.
Friend daddy? No Christian friend, me tell us if you have.
Daddy, Christian friend, me done a Christian already. I want to have Christian friend.
What kind of back road friend my daughter?
Wait, sorry, don't get bright. But back road. You know, see your father disrespectful?
Daddy, stop telling her to work. This is
What's her age? What's her age?
Don't worry about that, sir.
Piercing everything, not even one,
oh, yeah,
two.
Daddy, me I get them piercing there and then tattoo this soon.
What? One up in the yard. What?
Girl, run!
One up in the yard. I'm gonna tell about.
Uy, Jesus, help me, Lord. Oh, Lord.
I wanna run from.
Oh, exercise. Stretch your foot.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? How much?
Me 19.
Yeah, how much?
Me 18.
So how far that exercise go?
No, don't there's a say exercise go from where to up here so. But how we have to do it?
So me can't follow do you know?
No.
No.
Why no?
Cause you got to look for one business, so no, I can't go come. We go come on next time.
So like how me can't come with it? Give me a number though.
Give me phone, get.
Alright then.
See you later.
Yeah, me I'll call you.
Yeah, make sure.
Yeah. How you say like?
There we go.
You're 19?
Girl, you know, you have to check them on them for your age. You want man, you have to check them. Check them. You say you just old, no man, no old girl. Girl, you say you look good.
Girl, my soul look nice. So get my
Soon?
tattoo and piercing.
Yeah, wait too long, girl. You have to do it now. Tattoo up
Girl,
yourself.
if you ever get
Bore up.
tattoo, you know see, oh, my father ain't just around me down a while ago.
Girl, you can hide it. You can
Hide
wear
it
long
now.
sleeve and long. Tell them say you're sick. The doctor say you have to wear them things to cover up your body.
So, girl, where you even get money? Anytime woman never can get
No
money.
man no want no girl that cover up and look like them a Christian. Nobody man no want a
Girl, you not
Christian.
fear go on so. You not fear go on so.
Girl, that us the truth.
At the truth, but where you go on so far?
Hey, you know what? You want me bring you out, don't it?
Yeah.
You have to dress like me. Forget
Alright, man,
good
just
man.
like you come on like a hot girl.
Alright, come. Wait. Can it just start clicking on my brain? Can I cover my brain idea way? How much I tell a man say how much?
18 hour.
You know say a lie. You is a liar, Christian. You know say Christian don't tell lie.
Look who I talk. You just tell the man say you're 19.
I'm not a Christian. You is a Christian and Christian should not lie.
Everybody lie. No, enough, come on. Everybody lie.
Jesus Christ, that's so talking about.
Oi. I go down a yard, right? And I did 1:58, right? 2 o'clock come, me not see you. 2:10 come, me not see you. Now at 3 o'clock, where I come from?
Don't even tell up my friend yard me go.
Look, girl, you know what I make around there, me not see you. You
Oh,
know
we the end up go shop. We buy something, that's why.
You know what? You win today. Me not fight you, you know. Come on, me not fight you. You win today. You win.
Daddy, bossy.
Thing good.
Yeah, man, you know, say our man named John, me I look for you and see him about the place. I mean, you see over here saying live.
John,
Yeah. Tall, brown, have long hair.
you know them man there?
What you mean, man, a long time I work for them man, the years now, you know. Where you saying over there?
So, how you come from?
You know, say up there, so me come from door. So me I come circle him safe. You know,
Well, try first me see in a place and thing, you know. Where's your name?
John.
John. Not too sure, you know, man, for check look more if nobody on the property named John, you know.
So you can't check for me now, boss. You have something important.
No, but them just come from and everybody kind of gonna work and gonna look something for hustle and you know what people deal with them business that is. So,
Sorry,
check back.
bro. You know no weed or nothing.
Find out if nobody named
You
John.
know no spliff.
You know what I say? I want them to me I think about to go up on the road go buy her now. I'm not too smoke nothing for a morning. I be a cleaning up me I do for a morning, dog. You know, like off the property
Spirit,
real
take care of my dog. You look like a real youth. I'm going to link up one of them there, you know. Give me
What
a
your name?
number.
What's your name?
TB, my name, man.
TB. Oh, nah, man.
One of
Free
them
man.
there will link up and drink 2 juice, man. Give me a number.
NFL then call me, you see me?
NFL.
NFL.
Oh,
See me?
NFL.
That's like my man 334
Yeah.
9264.
One of them there we have a drink. But if you know John, ask John, you can say me they come check for him.
Ah, man, pretty man.
Right,
Not to chat to anybody who has to steal but me try if he make one of my link them. Think you rest link them. I will see if no John over here, you see me?
Alright, you know them way the father.
Ah, man, pretty man. Big up yourself.
Now go up there, sir.
Alright, father. What's that boy you know John from, man? I just what are you looking at? As me come out the gate. See John still no ask John about the boy. Like I ain't cool there, you know.
Girl, make you call me a person. So I'm acting a girl.
Girl, you know, I want to look for the boy, and he only excuse me can tell my father, I know. Because what he I tell him, say, me I come up by your yard, and he rush me in there when I come up by your yard, girl. Yeah.
Well, my father don't want me to walk with you, you know.
You mean by? Hey, stop being foolishness. Daddy!
Your father did it?
Yeah. Me for show him, say, are you? Make it
Oh.
look. You know.
Why you call up my name? Where you doing?
Evelyn, sir.
I see I friend that.
Your friend?
Yeah.
I see you help with the rest.
Yes.
Yes.
What time she come check yesterday?
What time? 12 o'clock.
You're lucky. You're just lucky. You hear what me say now? You see? Go on the road, go do what you do, and come back. Anyway you go, take a look at time.
Okay.
No matter with no haste. Come here, go on my little honeymoon. I don't feel like I'm a big man. But like this. Your belly now come in here. What me say?
No belly now come in here.
You bring tattoo and piercing come in here, but no belly now come in here. Right? We couldn't stop you from putting on it because you gone through the gate. But if you come here with a belly, it's either you near me or you're dead. Young girl, hope you take up your head. Don't do like my daughter. You see what she take up? Woman roll. I walk me soon.
Oh, nothing wrong with piercing and tattoo. I soon get to.
If you open up your mouth and box to make your father feel you and your mother feel you anywhere then there. I don't know your parents, but I will box you like cutlass. You idiot? You idiot?
Oh, that I eat that. You look nice. At girl settings.
When you bore your two part of your nose, you pass the verse.
What you mean by I don't know. What we call
What you mean by-
piercing? Only pass the worst. We're not bad.
I'm not mad.
No. Of a fashion. And you look nice.
Of a fashion.
Yeah. You know, see?
Of a fashion.
Yeah.
So why you never buy fashion nose ring?
We don't want that.
What
side,
fashion
we
was it?
want.
Alright, my for that. One.
That's
One.
so hard.
One.
Come on,
Yeah.
girl. Can't find that chat too much.
Because I'm the only son where I act today. Yeah?
Why is you have to call me? You couldn't call me something attractive.
Don't you worry about we soon get to this someone.
No, stop me. No man love call woman for roadside.
Soon get to this someone. So how do you?
You there?
You're good.
Yeah, you?
Yeah man.
Yeah, do what you so.
Now you me there wait for me, I just call you. I have to come meet you, now I'm come meet you.
Yeah, mother come meet me.
I'll go somewhere nice man, now we're ahead.
So come now, no more. Go come on the roadside.
Come on now.
Come
Friend,
to.
no, soon come. Stay right here, so.
Girl, I can't wait for so long.
We say stay here,
soon
so
forward,
we soon
man.
come.
Alright.
Alright.
Tony, can't remember that talking.
Where are they, so?
No, girl.
What you mean, no?
This down there chair take some fresh air.
Oh, because you can't take it on your veranda, your yard. We both know say you have yard that your papa not allow you to sit down out here, so. Where you lead there?
Who?
You, the one where I follow up back and batty. When there?
No, she there.
You sure?
Yeah. And it's not my leader.
Looking at me eye and tell me say I know your leader. It's okay. Me, I go shop. If this is what you want to do, then so be it, sweetie. Goodbye.
You ever in a one bag of talking with me when you see me? You can't just walk.
Look here. Delete your face. Move.
Yes, you like that?
I like it, yes, you know, but why you coming at me?
What you mean why I'm coming at you?
We are coming, we say we are going to do a little thing. You know, you have to come at me, brother.
Me like
Oh
me
my
coming at you.
God.
How are you?
What a... No, me I don't know nobody. Come here. Feel like a Christian girl to lie.
Bowa.
Yo, sir, you know how old she is?
Yeah,
How old in be?
19. I'll make you laugh.
Wow. Me are 17, yeah? I mean older than the two of them. So I guess I don't need to say nothing more. Because you
All
couldn't
right.
have brain.
Don't listen to her. Don't
But-
listen to her. Don't listen to her.
No.
Yeah, liar.
Yeah, me a liar. Big liar.
Where you come
You
from?
just score up.
Me come from out of my mother vagina.
First, me I see you two lie.
Okay. Then,
Woman say man 19, she a 19.
yeah, you're 19. You're how old too?
You're 18.
Oh, you're 18 too?
Yes.
Oh my God. Wow.
She just come, she ever, me no, say ever buck up in her.
Yo, we don't have no time for her.
Oh my God, you see when you lick it grape wall of China? No, say me never want to know. No, continue.
Yeah.
I'm
What do
going.
you want to go where she
Hey,
go?
come here.
Who are real to business?
119.
Yo, where are you with?
Who this a job on?
I am same one.
Where are you with?
So, I'm going to go with them.
We speak to them.
You know see?
You don't see I'm a woman and her friend.
Where woman?
She.
She
Yeah?
and her friend.
Yeah? You're blind?
Me know me can't see clear my boy. The one guy jail was.
Go do her. She who?
If you them,
She me woman.
the woman how much?
Woman at 19.
Next one how much?
18.
The one over there, so I know so 18 that.
Who tell her that?
Come in when daddy.
One father.
You know what tall Marga Brown man? Just put a prison other day.
No, I'm in a business with him father. I know me and her there. See how I'm there.
Well, alright, bossy. You know what my father.
So that you really tap me for?
Come here, bridge, me know nothing every day. Me know you got jail, me know you're dead.
Man, that's all in the good for sitting on the roadside and mix up.
Alright, bossy. Alright.
How? God no?
No, sir. You come like me now, see good. Where you up on the road? Which I'm left, like a girl? Let me tell us about this same dirty foot. Jezebel, friend. Ya.
You wanna break your way I got Jezebel?
Tall man.
Oh,
Easy no tall man and no woman.
Come go.
and look at you. Now you must come check down so what there.
Chan.
I look for one man.
So let me see you one.
So what you do around me? What you do around me, daughter?
Well anyway, I'm a woman, this is my woman friend. Never know say your daughter.
Your woman this. This is underage. Sit here. A prison you want to go?
Where you get that from?
A prison you want to go?
She a 19 and she a 18. Where you get that from?
Who me tell us that bit to me?
Your daughter.
Say come tell me my daughter 18. Eh? You know the age? Come here. Come here, my daughter. Come here. How about your power? I know my power for a fridge you take up, you take up from my yard. When since you start drink power? If you ever move a foot when me chat to you. So you follow them to go meet the next boy.
No.
To go meet your friend.
I hope there's some see.
Go on up in a yard. If me ever see you down up on the road again.
Yo.
Tall man,
Tall man.
Yo, me tell you this, you.
Easy but now you not have to deal with her.
You see if you're power with the woman, you're power with the woman. Can you see when the law come for you? If you get
You don't have to deal with her.
If you get.
Wait till she go up in her yard.
You see never see you with me daughter again. Boy,
Stop
boy,
pint
yo,
up in a
tell
woman
this.
face. I think your daughter
Prison doesn't too long come from where they now. Now ramp with me.
prison no prison no pint in a woman face.
Soon with me daughter again. Hear you?
Tell your daughter I'm staying here and stop call me.
And she call you?
Come on.
Alright,
Yo,
when me go, me and her go deal with that. You boy, go on man.
Guy.
Yeah, make my father catch me. I want him to catch me.
Things me not hear a footstep them.
Hey, there we are the right so.
Let me tell you say. Where you do to yard?
I done this on me. Don't have my friend.
Don't know which friend. What me tell you say about friend? You not learn.
Yes, daddy.
So, you feel easy if you come down and I go back up. Go on up a hill. Go teach you something.
What?
Run go up a hill and come back down. Go and teach her, listen, because Missy say, you not learn. Come, same time. Turn back down, come here. Turn again. Up on the top more and see. Run! Up on the top more and see you. Okay, you not listen. Here, and the boy down so. Get the king catch a fire. I go and make it catch a fire today. I go and make it catch a fire today. Come. Same time. Cap your knee, you go back up there this time. Show your sin thing, cause talking now learn.
I'm shut a bit, I'm tired.
Talking now learn. Come, hurry up.
I didn't know come make you eat me.
Come here.
You think we not no sense?
Come here.
Me not make you eat me.
Come here.
Me not make you eat me.
Come here. Alright. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it because you know learn. Neighborhood they want enough to go mash up my lifetime story. You know like how you live. Alright.
Everyone me see you, I'm tired of you.
Everywhere you see me,
Anyways, Daddy, I shop me I go before you cuss me. I shop me I go.
where you gonna shop go do? You not learn a lesson?
Daddy, me I go buy something to eat.
You not listen? So egg and marshmallow them on me left up a yard for you. You not eat them there?
So, but Daddy, you done?
Finish, say hungry again.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Yes, Daddy.
And then corner boy they are going to link with you. Know?
Daddy, which kind of boy you talk about? I shop me I go.
Make sure, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Don't ramp with me, no little girl. You hear me I tell you? You think some do all you hear them all of this if you come sit down on the roadside and ramp with me, no? So make sure I shop here they go.
I shop me I go, Daddy.
Me I go down there so go pick up something and come back. Make sure me come back you reach one shop and reach up in the yard. You hear me say? You hear me say?
Yes, Daddy.
Come, take your time, go on. Take your time, go on. And if I ever see you they walk like you're the muggle, make nobody see you. I bust your caca. Time I get late now from boy.
Where you come from?
I shop me I go.
What the fuck I'm gonna look for the boy, girl?
I can't follow you. I'm sorry. My father just spoke me for I'm telling him say I shop me I go. And him say make sure I'm rich before I'm rich back.
Alright, we make a deal. Me for you go shop, and you for him go the boy. And you come back quick. You not take long.
Girl, make sure you know. Cause me
Yeah.
can't with my father lead me every time. You know. So make
Him
sure.
now go find out. We go just do what you do and come back fast.
Alright. So girl, I'm to you and the boy.
Eh?
Auntie and the boy.
Good man. Good girl. Him dog yeah.
Yes, it's a make deal nice so.
No man, then that they can make some nice.
And that me I say half
sir.
fool. I say that one yeah, go on for one. I'm a follow better you.
Yeah, you my follow me. Yeah. What's the shop lock? You see it? So that means African follow me go down. I'm my man now, you know, girl.
Come all the way to me I come so.
Okay.
Let's try and make sure I'm reaching.
Yeah, Jesus. Where I go?
No, so I want me just come look for.
Yeah, are you up here? I say me I come.
God no.
God no.
Well, anyways, it's still more go up on the road.
Alright,
We're not doing now forward.
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Oh Lord, this one you know.
I love chocolate.
Gotcha.
Chimo, boss man. Here no.
I watch out, you never learn. That's true.
Learn what I think at school with it.
Okay.
Learn what?
Okay.
How where you go?
No must me I do you think me I go?
Come on, we go buy 3 food name.
Okay.
Yeah, come.
Say no more.
Alright, come on.
Let's go.
Crave like.
Say we kitchen with food.
So my business so when I say food, me think for me did I go buy like rice and peas, oxtail, curry goat.
Come on, let me
You're greedy. You glad I get something.
Hey, on a serious note, you say anytime when you tell me say food, I don't know what food be, not dry goods. Food are like rice and peas and stuff. Those are food, dumpling. And there's something there.
Look, you say you come and get food. You should even come.
Look here, I want to invite me. You can't tell
You
me
make a
that.
belly rule then.
No, my belly don't roll me.
You thought who's in your father?
That way I do.
She be glad to get some because she look very hungry.
Me look very hungry, but one thing me not dead for hunger.
I'm
Why
going
can't
to
they
come on the
kill
road
him
in there, so it man same way.
Stop.
You know, learn.
Girl,
Oi! How me tell you, say?
Jesus Christ.
You same way again, you out.
Tell us me have to reach before my father house.
Me tell you, say you out. You want to let me come book up, me if you say. Yo.
Sir, wait, sir. I'm a very good girl.
Let me tell you, say.
Then trick me, sir. Then
Let me tell
trick
you,
me.
say. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Oh God. Actually, how you did? Where you come from?
Because that's some of my friend.
He's a friend. Who him?
My friend too.
Yeah, how much? 20. You know how old she be? Yeah. How old she be? 19. What is it? 19? I thought you walk around tell the man them that you put on tattoo and pay it up. And you have broke up with that, sir? I can't take off my gun. Hey, where you go? Yeah, you ever see me gun? You ever see me gun?
What you say? You got to go to something?
Look here, how we can go cops? How we can go who
Yeah,
up?
yeah. Me say I'm my friend. We are being got home. So I'm serious. I'm my
Big
friend.
old 23 year old are your friend? Eh? Where you come from?
Up our yard.
Up our yard no. Up our yard no. Up our yard you come from?
Yeah.
And you come that way.
Can we take one other way?
And you take one other way. Me say, you want you know. No belly now come on my yard, you know. You see me I come from work with bag. I saw me go put you out with bag too. You understand? Me now walk for buy no big man. You hear me say? You see when you go up, you go look for one machete and file it. I want rake. You go work with the
Yes, yeah, even I come.
go on from my box off here. Go on. You see them beat them in their head and the tattoo, I go use a machete and brand them out. Oh.
Can't believe about that. Boy, I can be at a beach. Can't believe me left him at the kino. Can't believe about that.
Daddy, how? Daddy.
Yo, breathe easy.
How you
Can
going
boy,
down?
listen, me have a special bullet put on for him, I warm up how long.
Daddy, for
I go show
who?
you something about daddy. I go show you something. You see this? You see this? You see, if you not start here too, I'm going to send it back to your maker. Anytime I want
Daddy, where you going,
I show you something. I go teach my lesson.
Jesus Christ, I'm going to
See
call
my yard, if
girl.
I left when time I come
Call
back.
girl. Jesus Christ.
Show you the deal with the boy out with the naval nose. You just watch me and him.
Daddy.
Serious boy, I go rush me, I know.
Batty boy,
Show them boy or something.
Alright now. A batty boy. Must swallow, boy. Must swallow. Must swallow, boy. It's alright. Man, anytime I hold this boy, I say youth. Problem.
Jesus Christ. How you go? Jesus. What make you look so like you there roll up and down in the dirt?
That's where you put me now.
Me? I mean, if you go take up one and go to
And then me and the dead while, you know. Where the boy they live? Where the boy they live?
Which boy? Sean boyfriend?
How me talk about?
boyfriend, you know?
Where he live?
Me don't know where he live,
Listen,
daddy.
tell about bad company.
Daddy, when me, Bob.
You know how much gunshot the boy that's supposed to have for me?
Are you?
Listen, if you know how much gunshot the boy that's supposed to have for me. You know how much gunshot the boy that's supposed to have for me?
No, daddy.
Actually, I'm a daughter, I'm not killer, you know. Hey, here, boy, stop for the bad company. Hey, I feel like a joke, man. Where you gone? Alright. It's alright. I must swallow. Boy, come back. Come on, see, boy, kill me, Father God. Alright. I go hold him. I go hold a boy. I go Me go hold it.
Oh, God have mercy. Who tells you can't just so?
What you mean by?
Who tell you say you can't just so pick up on the road?
Me just anyhow me want. You've got me at 16? Me at 16. And the government say, when I reach 16, you have the right to do anything. And I like I
Let me
can't
ask you a question. The government, they put sperm in your mama? Eh? The government know how your mama push you out? Eh?
And what the government say?
Answer
Anything
the
the government
question.
say, Allah.
When you come out of your mama, you murder your mama at birth. Government did help me bury your mama? No.
All you have to do is stay, and I like you can't touch me, no. You can't touch me. If you touch me, you know where you go get.
Oh,
You
so,
know where you go get.
So
Because
to-
one call. One call.
I told the government tell us so we can't beat you.
Yeah, you can't touch
Let me tell
me.
you something. I don't beat, you gonna beat you next thing. I'm murder me, I gonna murder you.
Murder me.
I
You see,
see.
I went and cut it up on me, I cut up myself. I'm good on there.
You know some afraid of you?
I'm good up myself cut so.
You know some afraid of you? You want a wicked piece of girl.
Yeah.
Look how hard you work and say you go to school, you kick your own self out of school. Eh?
Can you come talk about
Yes,
me?
yeah.
So me just anyhow.
Me say you smoke, you drink, you one bag of man.
Best believe.
Me say the man they put on the tattoo, you the man there. Me don't like them something there. You make me look like a disgrace on the road. Oh, a Popeye daughter that you know. Bad you know. The whole road run through him. Me don't want to hear them something there. More when me I walk on the road, me I live in peace. You know what? You know what I'm proud? Eh? You can't be a liar, you can't be a doctor, at least be a thief. So me can proud of you. It's better you be a thief than be a whore. Me I tell you the truth, my daughter. It's better you be a thief. At least me know say you have look education when you're thief because all the people with education thief.
Daddy, you know,
No,
this I don't-
no, for real. Only people with a lot of education thief. You see, people who have education do not thief. I'm going to tell you, oh, yes, when you have a lot of education, you know how to rob your boss. You know how to rob bank people money if you work a bank. You know how to rob every single people who come the car when they take $50 out of everybody's account. We as Jamaican, we not want to check if $20 away, $20 gone. Because we no business then they sit there small change. If you take $20 out of 1 million people account, or 20 million, you look on right there, so. Right? So our people with subject is the biggest thief. Just like the government, I don't care which one of them want drive up in my yard. Why you think no people go in at the government parliament? Because that's the easiest place to thief. Because you see, when you come on to children funds, when you go to the MP, if you tell him, say, yo, as an MP, I'm going to say, the children they need some stuff. I'm telling them, say, 1.5 million. I 200,000 me I give out of that, you know, in a book, you know. The rest of mine. Government can't know how much we give out. You understand how you go now?
It's not hard. I'm going to go about my business. You just attack. So like your mouth can't stop.
All right.
Your mouth can't
Me
stop.
try lecture you, you know. So you see anything happen, me no response. But one thing me always I try to tell her, say, no, belly now come in here, say, you know.
And or what? Or what?
Me put out your backside, what else?
Oh, and the government come take you out and put me in. You know, me I go about my business later.
You know, so we need to talk to our MP to change the law. I need them to change the law. 16 is not right enough. Put your 21 like America. Make you be 21 for drink. Outside.
Yo. See me there, sorry it's no long. Let me tell you this. This is what happened yesterday. Don't make it happen again, you know. You hear me tell you?
Yeah, me here.
And I on joke thing me I talk to you about. This is what happened yesterday. Don't make it happen again. And let me teach you this. You see your mother, who used to the here, she not clean. She not clean none at all. So let me tell you this. You see when you grow up, make sure you're clean.
Yeah,
You hear? You see when you get up, you sweep out the house. You wash up the plate them if we use them. And you see out the door. No make me have to tell you to clean up your yard. Cause if you not do it, you're gonna look like Chucky. Some you gonna make you look, you know how Chucky look? And when you look like Chucky, you gonna smell like puppy. So breathe easy and no man no want no shit in a plate. So you have to know what you do. Here, so when you get up your see place, you keep it clean all the bed. As you get up, you what? Spread it. You hear? And you go up and you go look piece of food right now, you know. You hear? Come on, you cook later, you know. And remember, you don't make a mistake again. Breathe easy. You're turning a woman in a few years. Chill out and listen to me and you never go wrong. You hear? I wonder if you hear what me I say.
Me hear you.
No shake no head to me.
Me hear
When
you.
you answer me. Okay? Cleanliness is godliness. Okay?
Yes, Daddy.
And once you're clean, your blessing flow. So me know why they grow up and be like some little nasty girl where you see out the road, you know. When I know ambition and no shame and no pride, you know. You hear me I tell you?
Yes, Daddy.
And become something what? Good in life. You hear me I tell you? Tell you what now. When you talking, I say, like, I mean, not too much talking. I go up and go pick up a piece of food and forget, you see me? Don't left the yard. Please, me I beg you, don't left the yard.
Yeah, me
Don't
hear.
want to hurt you. Okay?
How you go?
Remember me I go. It's still me dirty dog. You don't have time for me, you know. So I left.
How you mean it? Me not have time for you. You me a call look for?
Yeah, come look for me, you know. When last I come look for me? When last I come over here, Tibi?
I work, me I work. So
Yeah, work. Give me money, Tibi. You have money for here, they work?
me not get paid yet.
A town, me I got country.
So you can't
Me
wait
I
till
got-
you pay there.
Me never say nothing. Mr. Shrey say you waste time. If you claim to say you work, you can't give me only $10 now. Me I got country look for my friend
Me
Shanice.
just start work.
You just start work. Me just
get
start. I
paid.
go look for Shanice.
So you choose friend over me.
You know choose work over me. Me I got town. Me go look for Shanice. I don't know when me I come up and spend 1, 2 or 3 weeks because you know have no time for me. So my friend, we had time for me. So me go visit her and come back. Me not tan long. Just say one small bag me they bring. I hold the key for the house. For you come over here. But you see open up it so breeze can go in. You understand me I say?
Alright.
Listen to me carefully. You know say me head now work, you know. Me mad, me psycho. Now make me come here come see no girl in my place, you know.
Right.
Not even on the roadside me wait up with no girl, you know.
No girl lah. Me not.
Not even call to no girl.
You say I'm
You understand me I say?
remember say me loyal, you know. Me not
Good. Cause me know if you pop off that noise, like I don't know say it's mine and mine alone.
Me not give up.
Good. So, me I go on my business. Come, later. And take care of yourself.
Alright.
Drink up some peanut punch when I come back already.
Strong up. Strong up.
Yes,
strong up.
alright, later.
Alright. Now go on. 10 girl me a bring in a this. Yeah, make sure me use side before I'm gonna make sure I'll get myself comfortable to you, man.
Oh,
Come on.
Damn. How you do?
Just there, scroll up on TikTok. You know, so when you want to put on one tattoo, though.
You want to put on tattoo? Me follow you put on color, me have to put on tattoo, girl. You make a little idiot father till I say this and
Me a
that
big
and
woman now. You
whatever.
can't tell me what to do. Me a big woman now. That
Make sure
just
no,
take a
girl.
tattoo, yeah, and just look
Right.
good. Me a put on that one, yeah.
The one you want to put on?
Yeah.
Alright. So, anything or anything,
Yeah.
come on. It's your big and done.
What do you mean me be a gun done?
You don't understand? You see no cockroach I walk past? Yep.
Sorry, where you come from?
Up the road, I walk go.
How you live? What first me I see?
Can I just move in that place? Yes.
You single or taken?
Me taken.
So you don't want a man like me?
No. What am I have to do?
What do you mean what you want me to do? A bad man you deal with, you know?
So you can never tell me.
What do you mean?
You know, say me
Yeah,
love
sure.
bad man, me pum pum jump.
You can't link up, man. Learn it when you're ready, man. You know how to fire it.
Yeah.
Feel, you know. Yo, take your time, Wally, man.
Be nice, man.
Alright. So you say, can link up on
Yeah,
the
we
video?
can link up.
Alright then.
Alright, so me I go down yourself.
Alright, do the right thing. And then.
Not even master.
But wait, not all man that we dive in the man. I see if you can dive in this.
Roll that boy.
Hi. Bomba. Go.
Oh, Lord.
Girl, you didn't gunshot there.
It's gunshot. Okay, so go like you don't say. You don't know if I hit that gunshot. Not about gunshot.
Tell me
So like you're a coward. You're a coward.
Girl, a gunshot them there.
You don't know a gunshot than fire rocket.
Girl, my father a gunman. I know how my father gun sound. And
Shut
people
up.
put, hey.
Shut up.
You see boy pass this up.
Which boy?
Which boy?
Fear man. You see pass this a little while.
Where for man
Daddy,
for?
where you go with gun?
Where for man for?
I'm milk for man for.
Yeah.
I go find out man where you say.
Daddy, where you go
Say
with
if you see man
gun?
just pass this up.
Which man?
You might have gun.
Man?
By the way, me not answer right. Where you do tired?
Daddy,
Come here, so we the shift a grow on the sago. Right here, so. Me not like in the yard.
yeah. Daddy, put that in your bag or something.
Where you do tired?
Daddy, has something me go buy.
Something you go buy. Come here. I'm gonna tell you about the company here.
So if you stop walk with her.
So if you start walk with her,
Mm-hmm.
so you still a walk with her. What? I want to barefoot.
A tattoo.
Are your friend foot that are barefoot?
Yeah, okay, question that you ask.
Am I foot blind?
It's like him blind.
I thought you put her.
Yes, Daddy.
Hold on, come see that. Me not see that good. Come on, tell us.
Daddy!
Tell us about that.
Run, girl, run.
I'm not kill it. We not there going to chick.
Stupid, man. Girl, yeah. Watch out.
Me just see our father. Look at our go.
How you do to him?
No, go on. Shit. Our father thinks again are there, bro, but...
Jesus, my father go kill you. My father go kill you.
Yo, go on up.
I go me.
My father go kill you.
You know what kind of car
Go in, God.
God don't give road it so.
Oh, fuck.
We don't know, but we know that we run because we ain't have time to do it. You know what?
Listen. Let's look in our pocket.
There's a thing start hard, so the train run gone up in our bush.
Good. Yeah, man, relax.
The man is gone. We don't know what kind of style them the man.
You went fast, man, yeah. Can't believe them run out of shit.
Like you come on the road with empty something.
Yes, down the gun.
So when two shot gone,
Fire.
the fire and miss. The fire and miss.
Yes. Oh, yes, together.
Oh, sir. Come, really fast. Let's not see it.
No, well, just look out.
Enough. Oh, come on, man.
Oh. Ah,
Daddy, I
Yo.
illustrate too much. I fake tattoo, you know.
Yo, let me tell you something.
So if you stay in the yard, tonight in the yard, me there. Me also something,
You
yeah.
want to become in life? Where you have in your head?
No,
Where you pray? Where you watch? Eh? Let me tell you about that friend there. A tattoo you want?
No, Daddy.
Put a foot up a sir. I will give you a tattoo. I know where you want, man. I will give you a tattoo. I say a tattoo you want. Put a foot up a
A
sir.
fake tattoo.
Put your foot.
A fake.
See a tattoo you want. Move your hand. A tattoo you want. Move your hand. Move your
Daddy,
hand.
please,
Move your
Daddy,
hand.
please,
Move your hand.
please, Daddy, please.
Move your hand. Sit
Ah,
up.
Daddy, stop. No, Daddy.
Tattoo.
It's hard, Daddy. It's hard to.
Take tattoo. Take.
Ah, Daddy.
Oh, yeah. When you are right, proper settings in there, come and say you're not alert. Look on the place. Look on the bed. Clean up the place all along. Alright. See you want mad me now. I mean, I wait for you. Oh, God, B, you know, so me not feel good, though.
Alright, later, me call you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, make sure we call you answer.
God.
Ah, the
How would that girlie?
my co-worker man sure for me.
Oh, make sure. What happened?
Yeah, man, where I go?
Up the road.
I think I'm here to look for.
I'm see girl come from where yard.
So I'm not tell us I'm co-worker sure for me.
Make sure. That's all I have to say to you. So like I'm saying, now where you up to?
Camera go over, go easy back.
Come on now.
I pray me so bad, man.
Huh?
I pray me so.
Me no see you, man. Me no see you. I'm yard, me I go, me no see you.
Yo, me want me know an old elder boy pan the road and look for me and daddy. Me not trust on in a youth.
Me no see you. Me say me never see no gun in your pocket.
Say I come hold on pan my what you say?
Me never see no gun in your... No, me no see no. No see no.
boy.
No see
Yo,
no,
me tell you
sir.
this elder. You see me ever hear me name round here? But no gun
Me no know your
business.
name, sir.
You see how me deal with you.
Me no see you. Me no know your
That
name.
me make you know.
Where your name? Me no know your
Don't
name.
worry about that. Here.
Why not just go look at work and done?
How you tell if you look at work? Look at me now.
No.
Yo.
I mean need something cause I'm a shit me have.
You just breathe easy, bad man. I'm to a murderer. When I walk with a machete, if you see me on the right, you take it left. And if you see me on the left, you take it right.
So
And if you see me on the right and the left, you lift up.
So
You
what me
see
do
me
wrong? What me do wrong?
Now pray me when you dey walk, bad man, hold your head on the road or on the ground.
So what me do wrong?
You dey pray me style, daddy.
Me just a come and me a walk so. Me a walk, you know, me a walk and you ask me why me a do. So
No
me,
look palm me, bad man, for you look palm me, you diss me, daddy. And that make you know.
but me have to see you.
See who?
Me a walk past a good on so.
Me never see until me see say you look palm me, you know. So me no want you see me, bad man. Me no want a boy you pre me like they want come kill me. Worse you have a machete in your hand, bad man. You see if me see in my hand? Brother, around put me, make sure you put that in your pocket, you there.
It in my pocket,
And make sure
yeah.
it always in your pocket.
In my pocket.
And
you have a problem no?
What?
No, see, me not look
Lift
for
up,
you.
daddy. Oh, I'm to your bad man.
But me can't use me eye, me can't see.
You know hear about me?
No,
You come like you just come in a place. You want to hear about me?
me can't see. Me can't use me eye if you go
Lift
where me
up,
go.
lift up. Look down the road. Now look for me when you see me. No time at all on the road.
All right.
And pray, me boy.
All right, me not look for you again, sir. Me sorry, you hear?
Me need like dog, much less puppy.
Me
You don't
sorry,
rock with
me sorry.
What the boy you take man think? You clean a youth.
How that?
I mean, you care that girl.
Oh, come girl, then don't say if you just come.
What one?
So I want me to come here today with bag.
Girl, I come to spend some time with her because my man not have no time for me. So
What
you
do you mean by spend some time?
come spend some quality time with my friend from high school days. My man not have no time for me, so you must have time for me, girl.
You realize, say, one little compartment, yeah.
Girl, I can fit on the bed. I'm not that
Not
big.
even the fan not for 100.
Me no business, but your fan was 100. You don't want to see my fan in my yard, because I don't no fan in my house. But as me I say no, girl, but if my big place must make me feel comfortable and at home.
How me I gonna do that? Me not put out myself to make you comfortable.
Girl, I say put out yourself, girl. You can cook some food. Wake up 9
Girl,
morning,
they don't
make
allow
you
me to
go
cook.
beach, make you go club, party, river trip, everything we can do, you know, girl.
I thought you come here for you have.
I spend time. My man not no time for me in a year. He said if you come closer, my man not have no time for me, Shanice.
Maybe something wrong with you.
Nothing wrong with me. In my work.
So the money they will make.
And you say me no know because to them I ask him for money and he don't give me none. But true me say me have my own money, I have my own place, I'm not if it's splunge for a boy, it no matter me what am I do.
So your key there?
Let me key there. Me left the key with him so he can go in the house and thing.
Anyways, that you having cooked.
Where can me cook it
Then
for?
suppose you go carrying them girls where they the lady in the yard.
Listen to me. Tibi knows if you don't ramp with me. Tibi knows if my head don't right. I'm gonna have to box him over, you know. He knows me a mad girl. He knows if you don't carry one bag of girl in my place or nothing like that. He don't have no woman.
When you're good, you shall sweep condoms.
Me not sweep no condom. My man know better than that. I tell my man, if I think he might eat that, he no finna ramp with me, no.
Oh, okay.
He no finna ramp with me, my man. A beer, what me say. Anything I me say, that thing do, that thing walk with.
Okay, I
Right,
understand.
I think my man come like so many man them. I talk
Alright, so what we are doing today?
Well, today I can cook some food and
All
watch
right,
movie.
and tomorrow we got beach, right?
Yeah, we got beach
All
tomorrow.
right.
So,
go and lie down. We soon go
Mama.
cook. We soon go cook and come back to that rice, girl.
who you give mackerel rice?
Oh yeah.
Girl, when me there, my head not mackerel rice, you know?
I'm at the fridge empty.
A turkey neck and something my man buy put in my fridge. And me buy put in my fridge. So, know what you talk about, you catch it.
Give me the money.
Which money?
Forget about the turkey neck.
Girl, me come spend time with you and you go feed me.
Me never know you come in at one. Your papa for me had unexpected.
Okay, make it stay. Me know from...
You want chicken?
Yeah, chicken will work.
Okay. Relax yourself. Me soon go put it to tar.
Oh, you want some of your internet?
Mama, you can beg internet so.
I can't believe your Shanice.
Believe
Before I
what?
go cook, you can come buy banana chips
Mama.
and bag juice.
Chicken not tough now. Take it to your stomach.
Oh, son, I sit down and see me. I want to come yard. No, me I go up. Because I left me good yard. Come eat them and sit me up on the roadside.
Mama, you should have put it in your pocket and carry up go eat. Me say me so
Me go
cook the
hungry
chicken.
later. Me go hungry later.
The chicken never cook yet. You're so greedy.
When me there, me yard, I say me work on my own and money. So I take money from my man, them, you know. You go on.
Come on, man.
You see my top now? 20 so. 20 cable. You know safe at all. You know safe. You couldn't fully bag.
Mama, you want us and you get
Hey,
something.
Alcado.
Relax, man.
Yeah, all a drink. Look where you drink to. Crown water. Hey, you give me bag juice. 50 bag juice, girl. I say me like me dirty money. Me never say nobody wants to me ungrateful. Make me ungrateful. You tell me from me good yard. Me I come from me drink bag juice. What take up that mango they can come give me to?
But me just go ask yourself if you want mango for yam.
Me want the mango, you know.
You go feed for mango and banana and breadfruit this month. Come.
Before so me go back at town and I left country.
But then go on.
Me never left and I go work.
Come on, man. Come on.
Good looking for this a lifestyle, yeah. So me nice and big.
Come on.
All the while I come here, there at the same spot there.
Cause I just want to sit down.
How would I feel lip?
Lip glass.
Make your lip shine, so. Hey, may I give you one more warning, you know? You know, I want to
Jesus
see you
Christ.
on the road. You hear me say?
Daddy, you see, if you not take off this tattoo off of my foot, me a stay in here long, and me not come up back. Just make it tattoo stay on my foot.
Don't worry yourself, man. I have a plan for you. Here, I have a decent plan for you. Make sure me put on this now, yo. Alright. Should say anything. Make sure you not lay a hand on this. That may make you know.
Me have to bleed for.
You see that boy there? In time hold him. Problem. Remember me tell you. You put on to some money, you know. You hear me, daughter? You know my business come down. Time I'll get late. You see me? You see that lip here? Me no want come in and see shine so again. You think you're a woman?
How you want for me,
And ramp with
granny?
me, you know. And I wait, I have plans to that foot there.
Girl, you me there in the south, but now where you come from?
Girl, take kitchen, me go put on water for ramen.
No, let me there south for you, girl. Me I come go about my business.
Oh, where you
And
go left me, girl?
me I got country, girl.
You go country, go done them, me I come from here, what then I go do, girl?
Girl, I just want me I go pick up from a lady over so. Can try get me
So
food
tell me
stock
can't
up
bother.
back.
My man don't have time for me, my friend don't have time for me. Father
Mama,
Father
if me not go for money, all you name. When me not come here with and I want mackerel. You want turkey neck.
Hey man, talk. No make everybody know. Say
Come on.
You know, I have to make everybody
But me I tell you say me I got country, I want to know what me I go do.
Alright, go on. Jesus Christ.
Yeah man, me soon come back. Me never carry no bag.
He come like you want everybody.
I keep yours clean like carry no man in here. Oh, come like man ding dong.
And one man me have. And a sexy boy. Oh, God.
Hold on, Debbie. That's how we are in time now.
So you move like come here, can I hear house?
Wait, come on, what do you mean about turn off in my house?
You say you can't go find
so how
key.
me would I have key if I don't in my house? Watch out. Magic.
Okay, yeah.
Inside. When I don't with you. Come, baby.
Yeah.
Enjoy the AC.
Feel like someone want Boston too? What? Clothes and skirt. And my father don't want me to hold this and post this. Aja,
How
the girl?
gone?
How is she?
How we are doing this, sir?
Just walk up and down with you, you know?
So what?
For what? Because I'm my own now.
So nobody not see you with it?
No. Just I walk with it.
Yo, give me this, sir.
Oi, one bullet still in this, yeah? So if you ever touch me, I'll bust up the head like coconut. Anyways, I bullet my come for.
No shot figure. You know young, where they
Hey,
do
me
with gun?
and shot give me.
Where they do with gun?
No
Give me
worry
gun,
about
look a girl
that.
and
Touch
go.
me, don't worry about that.
Oh, so you're a bad girl.
Yeah,
Where you get this from?
don't worry about it.
you
Father
know?
one in our house.
Where your father? I said Monday. Tall man and your father.
What a dumb question. Anyways, I would never in the sales. Don't let me with you.
Bad girl. Wow. Get over here.
Then how you so bright?
Where you are?
All of them bright door.
Now where you come from?
Me I come from up the road.
Which
Yeah.
part of the road?
Me not afraid of you.
Oh. Say how do you with?
Me not doing nothing. What you want?
No, say me like you though. Can't give me a number. Fling it
Me
in
I
there.
come from around here now.
No business where you come from. Me like you. Can't get a number.
Come. Sit here, Trish.
Trish.
Yes.
Alright, I'll call you.
Yeah.
So
Me
where
not
you
have
go
my
now?
phone for me right now. Me I go back on me yard.
You sure this a number you right?
Yes.
Alright, see if me not get it. Oh, lick a shot in your head. You can't even give me no dial his number.
You see how you're bright? You can't hide no way. Your color them what you wear, you don't feel be them the type of man that you're too bright.
So
Move from here.
you feel me a dog, you feel a one suit me have. So go on here, man. Where that one are going can walk about. Watch me.
Are you me I come check in now?
For
Come out soon like come over here so.
oh,
Come the tell you and I'm the one.
tell me say what, warn me say what.
This one.
What?
I'm pregnant.
For who?
What the hell you mean by for who? No you. Are you alone I have intercourse with?
Look what joke me around with them man, boy. You know how that I go work out, you know.
What you mean by? The day when time I communicate, I turn to you and say, I ask you, why you do it?
I don't have it.
If you know you don't have your breed people picking for.
No you lead on up now to your foot. I make me breathe.
Me, lie down, papa, a while down foot, but I need to never come in on me.
I mean they tell us if you come link me. You make me breathe.
Oh,
I don't have it, say.
So I saw no pre-life now. So man stay.
If me not have one, me fi do.
You not gonna work. Come in, not gonna show no picnic for nobody, you know.
Can I send bad man go look work?
Then how you gonna maintain me now?
Boy, I have to go get rid of that baby there.
No. No.
So what go on?
Me don't know you have to think about it. I mean, I'll come back to you about it. You better think about it.
Well,
Boy, what you gonna do?
you have to see what go on in the car. You say you don't want dash for right?
No.
Well, Jaja, you say you want to send bad man go work, you know, brother.
Yeah, so I must. Because you come to me and say, hey.
Yo, I don't know what kind of style of they know what kind of craft or stunt.
It's not no crap. Okay.
I don't know how you just tell me say, me yeah breed.
So me not just know.
Oh man, how would that?
Oh.
Where you doing, sir?
Yo, tall man. Easy no dog.
Eh?
Easy no tall man.
Lift up. Lift up for shooting if the boy, I'm not shooting your face in the boy. You don't want to take boy there turn up on the roadside with.
And?
See how you did that? Eh? Real man fee in your life, you know?
No, me not want a real man. I him no want.
That alone at it there. But see me around gun, I'm not even have a gun on my phone there, so watch out. Phone. See how you did that?
But you put about, hey, boy, wait a sir. Like you're like you're a bad man. But you're not a bad man either.
Them boy afraid I'm like, post. You see I touch me side alone and you have to lift up and take one self. I eat that. You see a fool lunatic that. Yo, man like me if in your life.
No, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Power. Touching good.
You know, say you come like you're a craft man, I'm in a night today.
Relax. I'm a real bad man. How you can call craft man?
You.
I'm look like you. This one boy see me there and lift up. Otherwise if they turn, make them shit up.
Yeah.
Auntie, you know people afraid of me?
That's a them.
Them.
That's a them.
She don't know about me. You know, see me go want to.
Oh.
I mean, have to get there and ask me.
I bet you. I bet you.
You want to see who run the village?
Alright then.
Alright. If you find yourself, go on now. Next time I see you, have to go in there and legs there. Watch out. Legs there, feel squid legs though. You mag about there and look too bad. Alright. Must buck you again, good girl.
Oh God, have mercy. Hey! Hey! Come here! Come here! Oh, where you just do? Where you just do?
No, I sick me feel sick, daddy.
Sick. You have vomit?
Yeah.
And you're warm? Jesus Christ, you have vomit. You know what that? That's called pregnancy. Sign of pregnancy. Vomit, fever, flu. Girl, I will breed you. Who find time breed you?
Boy.
One man. And I see a man let me see you with.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, and you tell me that your friend. Look, girl.
And I just see when I tell him I can't talk about how it's all mine, because it's not no money.
Ah! How it's all mine? It's not no money. You hear how me son? Me sick right now myself. Me feel like me pregnant too. So you pregnant, me pregnant. Because you look like me pregnant with you. Because you hear how me son? You hear how me son? And for me, have you idiot. I maintain it for your baby because you murder your mother at birth, right? And we could have left your hospital. But this time I say, boy, I take you in. But it look like say, no man alone can raise them pity for you. No man alone can raise them pity because when they go and walk, or they go through door, God experience life. Look girl, how your career go now? How you go marry the baby?
Me tell you say I have to go look work and him have to look work.
Hello. No man alone can mind pity. Me alone can mind you. Cause eat there sometimes when you're hungry, you go and and take prick. To feed yourself. You know why I eat banana? You know why I eat tin mackerel?
No, I eat mackerel and banana can't food belly.
So me go get you a supermarket walk through there. And you go walk. You go walk cause me not give you my last mind no in a belly. Next thing man sit down around corner and crush out finger. Eh? You know no class. Look at the boy where you take up. You don't take up a man where you drive. Right? You don't do that. That's one bicycle. I said you gonna kill this my daughter. Not even a bicycle. The boy can't even buy you some good clothes. Tell me now. You see what kind of life you live now? As a 16-year-old, you laugh. You know what's pick me out the road and make their mother proud and their father proud. As a 16-year-old, look at it now, my daughter. You're pregnant now. You don't have no money, me don't have no money. The boy don't have no money. And 3 broke people that. And when they pick the bar, they pick the don't have no money. That's got 4 broke people.
Oh, baby, if you have money.
That's why you need to go breed. Because 4 broke is worse than 1 broke. You understand? Why you never get up and push it out? Why you never drink cold water? Why you never piss same
But me know saying coming at me. I went and be a walk out of here, didn't tell me.
You should have did piss up yourself same time then. Or you should have did come to me and say, Daddy, me do so, and the boy coming at me, make me go to pharmacy go buy the pill. Make you take it. You take one, and then you wait till a couple hours to take the next one. And you see what happened now? Eh? Let me tell you this. You see that little comment at you? Any how you feel like say you can pick the comedian.
What do you mean by?
Remember me tell you this. I mean, I will be listening.
So?
Your mother never screw at the early night. You understand? Not teach you a lesson. You see the pick when I belly now, you know, dash away.
Me not promise nobody that.
You know, dash away. You go carry. But, you see, if you want to take the picnic, that's how you have to walk. I'm going to start put...
Me walk.
Okay, I'm going to start put my food them separate now. Because me and you and picnic and share out. I'm going to tell you this. Now picnic and go, yeah. So
I'm own a room and you have your own room, so nobody not going to in your ears.
About us this. Once picnic start ball, and any of me here want picnic wake me up in the night. Me a turn on my boom box. You and the picnic can't sleep because me a do the same thing when I do me too. I saw it do me, I saw me do it back. You understand? Jaggy Ross go in, because me never tell you go take hood. Now you know what hood put in there. So that's why you look at picnic must stay away from big man because when you get hood, you can't maintain what come next. And vomit up in place. Boy, I tell you.
Yeah. Feel good I know. Pick up a piece of cheese and so you can run up at today and something like Wait there. Box move. My daughter not there. Oh, Jesus. Caca fat. My granny post balls. Hold on. I'm shut in there still. I go see what I want. You know what? I have a good plan. That little it's a rat one a year. Alright. Stop surfing now. Stop surfing that you know. I have a good plan for you.
Say, girl, wake up, and I have a man right now. Have a man. Get a sexy maga man.
Alright, tell.
Mama, me get a man.
Why near, man?
Mama, it's for me to know and you to find out. You move to jumping now.
Come be excited for you to see a fan,
Yes,
man.
girl, me get a man.
Yes,
What me not
mama.
get no bun. Yes,
But
and bad man too.
remember say I done so in leave.
No really matter. Me can move him and move you
I-
out. Oh, just so I know say serious tonight. Me go call me and me go talk.
Well, now you say me have my man already, no say my one man I have already.
Yes, stay with your man where you have when I have no time for you. My man I go have time for me because my man tell me say, but make sure I send my phone charge.
Girl,
And if
don't
he call
worry
me,
yourself.
me get him I go bust off my head.
Girl, don't worry yourself. You see my man, me and my man good. My man could have their work right now. You don't know what your man a do.
Mama, my man the pan road I walk.
Well, my man, they work.
Mama, your man I work and me not see money. Might as well in top.
Girl, me don't connect money and machine tomorrow. I call my man when he did gone and he saying go and send money for me. Send my man send money I will not have to splurge on you anymore.
Okay, come never get
Come
money
have
when
a
me go
good
for.
body, man.
End up
Right.
get
And
mad.
you know that sex, my man not sexy. My man thick and strong.
Oh.
When me say thick, me mean thick in body big so. You're going to your maga man, your maga cranny body man.
Yes.
My man thick and strong, you better think, girl.
Mama, don't worry. I over man have the more money.
My man full of dollars.
Are you come here, bro?
What is
Are you come here, bro?
what is you living at?
Boy,
What is you living at? What me living at? What me living at, girl? Wall house. Talk to me and
Remember
talk to
saying
me
the
good.
man get the house.
No,
Are your
yourself.
papa dead? And you
No.
can't get the house.
That's not how it go. I'm a pa, mama, booma. The house coming from generation.
From generation to
Yes.
generation.
Am I house?
Good
It's never
if
house.
you top the wall, you good the job done.
No.
Second kettle.
Me-
This year, I feel me hard working money.
Girl.
Over this generation from
Yeah, me tell you
generation.
this. You see my window, look on your window over there, so.
I mean, no window that day.
You're right, because that I don't know that I could blue something in the window. See me? Me have one 32. Glass and it till too. When me not be house, I do things with my man. Where's that come from? Hello, I'm a man by. I'm a man by that.
Generation,
The other one in mash up. You're lucky. May I come up and me not time to argue with you, but
You go. Just be careful.
You look one time you go somewhere go find a man, you're excited and go on the most way.
Yes.
You don't know the man I do behind your back.
You don't know you're not doing work.
My man good at work, him at work.
My man good too.
My man no say me a mad guy in door for ramp with me. So don't worry about my man. Focus on yours.
All you bad man like.
Daddy, what going? So me can hide the gun from me and it's so sweet.
Hey,
Yeah, laugh.
hey, doctor me go carry you. Doctor me make you know.
Tell you one on there before you bring me to the doctor. I was sick if you tell him. You're a virgin.
Hey, me have a secret to tell you. Me go burn you with this by your
What?
tattoo. After that, me send you got cups. After that, me go run a apps.
Daddy, you can't
Ride
do
up my
that.
bicycle with me shocks.
You can't do
And
that.
you see any boy name called by you, I get a axe. Remember me tell you. Come sit down, sir. Come sit down right here, sir. Come sit down right here, sir. Me turn my back and turn around and see you sit down. Me turn my back and turn around and see you sit down. Come. Come
No,
on
Daddy,
now.
no, you can't burn me. You can't
Who
burn
tell
me.
you to put your hand on your father property?
Daddy, you have to tell me, must know, so yeah, we can't take you up.
A police want to come and lock me up.
Which police? No police never
And kill me.
outside. No police never outside.
So me have gun and brandish, give me
Daddy,
data.
please don't.
Suppose bullet did the night.
You don't know somebody get shot.
Somebody. A joke, you take me for?
No, Daddy, please.
Yo, if you
please,
ever
please,
move
please,
your
Daddy, please.
hand, if you ever move your hand, which boy have sex with you? Which boy take a
You
virginity?
don't come from here.
Where you come from? Me say if you put your hand on it, where you come from?
No come from here.
Why name?
My name, Russian.
Oh, so a man up a cartel you want Russian.
Daddy, what you talk about?
You can breed for Russian from foreign.
What?
Which Russian?
You don't come from, I'm not finding there, I'm not finding there.
Which Russian?
Russian from down, in come from town, but no, in live here.
You know, say I idiot. You know, say your granny come like you grow just like your mama. Why you never breed for Russian or foreign? What power with cartel?
Yeah.
You never hear with cartel say Russian. Clean out the closet.
Daddy!
Why you not?
Daddy, no!
Me say if you ever make me neighbor, they hear me. Hey, you never did make them nice when you put on your tattoo. You never did make them nice when you put on your tattoo. Come up put the
Sorry, Daddy, sorry.
You want to see
Sorry,
and
me
if
nah
you put your
come out
finger in
again.
them,
Me
it
nah
bunny
come out
off.
again, Daddy. Me nah come out again.
You,
Me
come
nah
here,
come
Russian go under you.
Me Daddy, me nah come
What
out
age you be?
again. Daddy.
Move your hand. I'll do keep it there. What age you be?
15. Nah!
What
Daddy,
age you
nah.
be? What age you be?
15.
15. What?
Daddy, stop!
One.
Daddy, that wicked, they call police! Daddy, stop, Daddy!
4, 5, 6,
Daddy,
7,
I think that you can't do them there!
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Play with me next time. I cut your throat. You hear? Stop follow company. Stop follow company. And you see next. You see? But if you ever left the yard, and put a foot out the yard, and call me name to nobody, say you see me with nothing or you touch nothing, and you better come tell me who see you with this span road. How is she there? Me say, if he ever met me Christian friend there, here say, she there on the road with this man. Bring him back. Where he come from, man? Me and him.
Yes, you're Richie N, but hold up. I'm going to end this year. One movie dropped right over VM Flames with Shanice, Kayla, Davy, the whole works. With even me, the whole works. Go over there, go watch it, subscribe, share it up. And guess what? Candy go over there and the brand new movie named Family Betrayal. The movie they're going to take time film. The movie they're going to have a little drama, mostly sad, mostly sci-fi. Yeah, man! When you're ready, remember, subscribe.